How to set up the 6.5 Lightbox frame. The frame comes in two boxes. Make sure you check the labels before unpacking. Lay the extrusions on the floor and connect them as shown. Attach the corner sections. Insert the LED connectors between the lights. This setup includes two connectors. Move on to the support poles and snap them into place. Connect the footings. Great job so far. Now, let's move on to the electrical setup. Attach the Y cable. Connect the transformer. This setup includes one 264-watt transformer. Turn on the power and test the lights. Slide the LED strips toward the cables to ensure all connections are fully secured. And that's it! Your 6.5 Lightbox frame is fully set up. Well done!